What's going on?
We're back.
We are.
Okay. We're back in 2 ways.
Woo!
Yeah, we didn't do a Monday video.
We didn't? No. You didn't release a Monday video out of all the stuff you have saved? Jeez. Look, you could have done something on this thing. What's this?
Those are drawer latches for the magic drawers.
I won't touch it too much.
Ooh,
like you just have
You're spoiling it. Hydro dipping.
You just got it all like laying around. You could do something with it.
I got a lot of projects going on.
A lot?
And I've been sick. But I'm feeling better. And you're looking good.
No more.
So
thanks.
It's like
I think we're both looking good.
Oh, I'm not saying it.
Slimmer.
Yeah, let's see. The comments will tell me.
Right.
They never cease to not tell me.
Yeah. All right. So.
Okay, we got new PACKOUT stuff.
Right, but first we have to do a couple things.
Buy PACKOUT. Buy Flex. Goodbye Flex. What are we doing?
Well, okay, they have to. What are the things they have to do?
Like subscribe.
Right, and they got to hit the notification bell.
She wants to get it out of the way.
Right, so that we only say it once.
Okay.
Okay, so it's all out of the way now.
And I'm sweating already, so got that out of the way.
All right. All right, so what are we going over today?
We got new stuff. It's not Flex anymore. The only thing Flex in this video is at the end.
Oh, wink, wink, wink.
Okay, so, hey, we got router plates back in stock.
I thought we were going to go over this at the end.
You didn't give me a clear...
All right.
We got generic, right?
Yes.
And M18.
Yes.
But not a ton.
Right, not a ton. And we have a bunch of the crate caps standard handles.
Standard handles.
Yeah, awesome. We have a bunch of those.
Okay.
Okay, so that's out of the way.
Now the meat and potatoes?
Yeah, let's do that, and then we can talk about these guys.
Ooh, that thing is
sexy.
This
we'll save this for last.
Thing makes me think of the Pope. Ha!
Ha ha.
Okay, so you guys saw the unboxing, right, of PACKOUT Princess's vibrating sander. Mine's out of the gutter.
Right.
We wanted to make it better. The only thing it's missing are the latches, but don't worry, it's coming. And, you know,
that's what she said when she used the sander.
Good Lord. Yes, and if you didn't realize that this is not the most child-friendly channel.
Yeah.
Thank you, comments. But I thought that it was missing something. Yeah. And so, 3D printed bin. So guess what? I cheated.
Yeah.
Right?
What'd you cheat?
Well, what do they say?
You're cheating. What are you cheating on?
She was pretty hot, though. But it couldn't be near as hot.
Does she like write as much as I do?
His name is Vernon. And Vernon is 3dtechnologiesusa.com. Boom. How do you like that? Who's getting the latches? All right. So Kaizen foam. You guys know where I got that from? Kaizen here. That's for you.
Whoa.
You know what somebody said?
I'm wearing white.
Can I totally say it? I should say it.
Sure.
So
do we need to keep anything
straight upstairs said that I should, and I'm going to look at this, what the feasibility is. Oh, I can totally do this. He said I should make an adapter for adult
things.
Time. Caliente. Spicy stuff.
Oh.
I'm totally going to 3D print that just for the sake of it.
You got to make sure you use the right material.
I would say wrap her up. You go into the hospital. What's that show? Sex Sent Me to the ER?
Yes, Sex Sent Me to the ER.
All right. So we'll get back to... Boy, that went woo real quick. All right. And on PACKOUT Princess's OnlyFans, she uses the Milwaukee M12.
Oh, PACKOUT Princess does not have one. Let's just be clear. She is wholesome, and she has got it together. She is an angel. The other one, on the other hand.
Right.
Just kidding.
She's got to know anything. Okay, so let's get into the bins. So I called Vernon because Vernon had done a long time ago a really cool idea with this notch. And the way this thing fits in here, you can't put a bin this way.
Without the notch.
Right, all the bins have to go this way, but then the tool wouldn't fit. So I said to him, hey, you've already come up with this idea. So I did the Kaizen foam, which, as you can see, pretty simple. I heated up the wrench and just burned a little hole into it. Well, you do that, I gotta grab something.
Ooh, so pretty. Can I put this back in?
Yeah. You can stuff it in her. All right, so, you know, this was simple.
Yep.
And then I designed it for the standard bin, and then Vernon
upgraded it.
And I came up with this, and we're selling them at
shop.JakeOfALL.com.
I'll put a link.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, and here's the problem I hate, is that this sandpaper, well, I hate it and love it. Look at this, right? So, it's weird when it
wants to stick and then it
doesn't. Right, it's like Velcro and not. And so right here I've got 120 grit. If I put them all in one of the little bins, I'm constantly flipping through it, and then they're all sticking, and then you go to put it back, doesn't fit, you squish it.
So now there's dividers.
You've got dividers, they're angled so that, and they also fit for these discs, these cutoff tool, the little M12 cutoff. And they're angled so that when you hang it or pick it up, you don't lose the stuff.
That's a good idea.
They also have the little finger cutout, so if you do use something small like the disc, watch, put the disc in, your fingers can grab it. So you won't lose stuff down in one of the pockets. So we're not going to do a crazy long video, even though we just bantered about making adult toys. But it's a pretty simple mod that we have on our website. Vernon's going to be selling it too. He is really behind, so we're selling it first. And speaking of behind,
oh boy,
we dug ourselves into a hole, right? Is that the expression?
Oh yes, a big hole.
A poke hole. Wait.
Yeah.
See, this is my scatterbrained.
What are you doing?
Well, I did want to see on camera. Do you guys have an OMT? OMT blades? Sanding pads? They fit in that one. Okay. Oh, yep, they fit. Sandpaper?
Yeah.
Well, it's meant to.
Yeah.
It's flexy.
Yeah.
So, if you have OMT stuff,
yeah,
you can put it in here too. Okay. Help me out.
Squirrel.
Let's put that in there. Let's get out of the way. So, if you haven't noticed, if you look over Florida, you'll see the little smoke going, right? Doesn't that mean that the Vatican picked a new pope?
Oh God.
So speaking of pope, do you like that segue?
Yeah,
that was stupid. Boom. Look at this. The pope came up with something new. So this is one of the JONAH Pope designs.
Yeah.
This, I don't want to show them that one yet. I want to show them this one. So this one's for the stapler. Warning, you do have to move your little thing. These are on our website. They're mostly sold out. And here, I'm going to tell them why they're sold out, but I want to show them this stuff yet. There are some available, a few colors. Some of the less popular colors like red, I think people buy those less. But this, especially if you move the clip, it also has another compartment, which we haven't finished printing it, for your staples and your battery. Goes right into a PACKOUT, no Kaizen foam. It's designed for the tool. We've got them for the M12 install driver, the US and Euro version. So stapler, the M12 stapler, the bit and router organizer, the Gen 2 M12 along with the driver and the impact, we already said the Euro version, so that's...
The whole saw?
And then this one, yes, I was going to segue, whole saw. Now, this is...
the battery one.
And there's a battery rack one, yes. So this one's designed for a whole saw, specifically the Lennox Arbor sets, but if you didn't want to do the foam and the Jake pegs, that sounds weird. Boom, right? And you stack the biggest one down to your smallest. There's a couple places for all your smaller ones, so you can have a bunch of different combinations. But as you can see, it fits right in there. There's two parts to it. If it sits, it fits, exactly. So these, come on. Actually, I don't want to tell them. I want them to guess in the comments, right?
Oh, what are they guessing?
How long it takes to print.
Oh. No, we should tell them.
Oh, okay. All right, it takes a really long time to print. Boom, done. How long does it take to print?
Oh gosh. A typical bin takes at least 10 hours to print. Then that's just one part of it.
And it's 2 halves.
Yes. So you can imagine 20 hours to print.
It's actually closer to like 14 for a lot of these. So if it was 2 of the 14s for this, that thing could be 28 hours to print.
Yeah.
So
we appreciate your patience.
We appreciate your patience. And I was going to use this to address something, right? Because in the past, we had a really poor website. And it would allow stuff to oversell.
Yes.
So people constantly ask, when's it going to be back in stock, whatever.
Yes.
A lot of times we take stuff out of stock so that we won't oversell, so that orders don't take more than a month or something like that.
Oh my gosh,
right?
Yeah.
So we've done that. So if it's out of stock, go to the website still, and then click the little notify me when available. And what it'll do is it'll automatically send you an email, and occasionally, right, because we're like real people, we have kids, we have other jobs, we forget to update the inventory. So click that little notify, but you can also message us. And say, hey, do you have any, I noticed that the reds aren't in stock anymore. But if you check shop.jakeofall.com and you look for the JONAH Pope, right, and there's also a banner at the top that says JONAH Pope PACKOUT inserts, that's where they are. So they're really great. They're really another option for organizing it. I'm hopefully going to be getting a competitor's brand. 10 Spot Tools has got one for the router coming out.
Oh.
So that's pretty cool. So we've got crate caps. We've got some hydro dipping. We've got the SANDOUT that we did. The JONAH popes. Like, no wonder I got sick.
Right?
I can't imagine doing... Sure. And we're going to do the 55 at this point. It might be 60K giveaway on Instagram.
Hey, you know, one thing at a time.
But, because I said giveaway, and I'm really good at segues right now, let's do the flex tool.
Okay.
And unfortunately, because we don't have the brain capacity to figure out if everyone answered the questions right, we're going to do the 3-piece
small
flex.
giveaway, yes.
So,
we're giving 3 away.
Why don't you grab them?
Okay. I'm grabbing
Oh, shoot, the camera can't watch you. No. I can, though. I get a good view.
Oh, no.
Now, I hope you guys don't mind. Vanna's going to show them off.
Okay.
But, as you can see...
I got to pull up my pants.
Show them.
I was losing my bottom half.
They're slightly used, aren't they?
Well, we had to install them.
We installed them in the video. Barely put a level in it because JakeOfALL doesn't use his tools.
Of course not.
And all the nuts and bolts and stuff back in the packages.
Yes, okay.
3 winners. So, let's go ahead and get the phone out and let's find the winners.
Okay. I'm back. I got my writing utensil to write down people's names.
I'd say you trumped your outfit in this video, though that one was pretty hot.
That one was pretty good.
Okay. All right.
Okay, what are we doing?
Well, I mean, I'm not picking, am I? That can't be right.
How about you pick one, I'll pick one, you pick one.
We get 3 winners.
Yes.
Okay. So should I just...
Yep. Scroll until it stops.
Oh, well, that was really nice. Somebody just said PACKOUT Princess steals the show.
No.
Okay.
Not always. Sometimes.
Okay. Okay, so Tom comes. All right, Tom, you're winning obviously just for your name. So, first stack pack bought was the 3-box system. Want to buy more in the medium boxes. I don't think it's better than the PACKOUT. It's just better for me since I have flex tools. Before that, it came with a bunch of PACKOUT, but I sold them. Oh my gosh! All right, never mind. Even though your name is awesome, you're not getting it.
What?
He sold his PACKOUTs to buy the flex stack.
Whatever.
Because he has flex tools. I mean, they do have a lot of power.
They do.
So hopefully, Tom...
he's getting the level.
He's getting the level. Okay. So make sure you go to Lowe's and buy them while you still can.
Okay, next one. This one is the rail mount.
Screenshot this?
Yes. This one's the rail mount.
You're doing that one.
Oh yeah. Okay, here.
Oh, I screwed.
Oh, you messed it up. Okay, ready?
Yep. Nobody picking
why
names.
Why are there only like 3?
There's only 20 comments.
Oh. Okay. How about the one? He said, I got the medium box and the organizer first, then the week after I got the box with the wheels and the suitcase box.
Medium box and the organizer. So that'll fit on it.
Yep. Okay. He's called The One. I'm screenshotting it. I don't know if you commented or anything.
I did not because...
Okay, The One.
I'll comment when...
Okay, your turn. Next. So he's getting the rail mounts. And then this person is getting the cord holder. We're not very enthusiastic right now to give these away. I'm sorry.
Okay, we're going to do John Brickenheimer. Okay. Bricklimer. Whatever. Bricklemeyer. The first stack pack purchase I made was a 5-unit deal at Lowe's, which consisted of the rolling box, the medium box, suitcase box, and the box, the large medium packet organizer. I ended up returning the large organizer box, but I've kept the rest. So what's left?
That's it.
What did he get?
Oh, he got the cord holder. I said.
You get the cord holder.
Yeah.
Okay.
We gave them all away.
That's it.
And yeah, we'll give the big flex stack away next week.
What video is next week? I already forgot.
I don't even remember at this
You were
point.
supposed to cheat. You were supposed to spoil it.
Oh, I did.
Remember?
I did spoil it.
Oh, the hydro dip.
Yeah, I spoiled it already.
Okay, so we'll give it away in the hydro dip.
Look how you are.
And boop, right?
Hey, wait a minute. I have an idea.
Yeah.
Do you have something that we can give away as a hydro dip thing? Can we think of something?
I mean, I have these, and I have a Jake stand.
Yeah, let's give that away.
Okay, well, one of these is for the giveaway, so you want to do this?
I got more Jake stands you can do.
Okay, no, that's a lot. So Jake stand, which is for the M12 installation driver, and this is a USB lithium battery caddy. So if you have the little USB platform, the headlamps, flashlights, so the power sources, and you want to carry some extra batteries with you, it's got a little lid. They're going to be hydro dipped. The color of them will be given away in next Friday's video.
Yes.
So you want to do that?
So we can give that. We'll give that away in next Friday's video.
Okay, so what do they have to do in this video? Right, they have to enter a video.
Yes.
So they should enter in this video to win it next week.
Yes.
Okay, so
I don't know.
we're both been a little sick.
I don't know. If you could hydro dip anything, what would you want to hydro dip?
That's it.
Yeah, I'm boring, I know.
Sorry, we haven't been drinking. We're still just as funny, it's just we're slower.
Yeah, slower for sure. Jeez,
Oh,
it's
gosh.
taking me a while. Okay.
All right, so PACKOUT Princess decides. You guys, you can win this. Okay?
Yeah, those are super easy.
It's a caddy and a jig stand. Comment below what you would pick to hydro dip. And if you guys ever do want me to hydro dip something for you, I am available. I'm just saying.
Might take a while.
This has only been a month.
Oh my god.
All right, that's it.
Okay.
Sorry. You know, still Friday video.
It is.
Bye.
It is. Bye.
All right, you pack them out.
Bye.
I know how you like being a little... It's sticky and moist.
Somebody's being a Florida bitch.